And welcome on Sunday Night Show. My name is Nanedu, me, Katim, and Izzy does it up for inside the show to make sure your evening goes sweet. Where when I heard a beautiful song from Sonny Ade King. Sonny Ade.
No, see that beautiful song. Not only Izzy Bit.
Not only Izzy Bit, K Solo and
K Solo happy.
K Solo don't.
That thing. Give me 5. I know what I know.
He don't be there. K Solo, he don't reach there.
He don't kill it. He don't kill it.
He don't reach there. I think they so now. You know, if everybody stand up, he go very wait.
Don't Larry.
Solo.
Don't Larry.
Anyway, before we start short today, me and Katim the gist one gist. Where happen? If you dey listen to radio, from radio now, I talk am for radio. We go talk am again. You see, BBM group, BBM day, WhatsApp day,
yes,
Instagrams day,
yes,
now Facebook day.
Yes,
but the one where people they chat more, BBM and WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Now WhatsApp they get group. BBM too they get group. Now for BBM, you know, boyfriend go day, girlfriend go day, WhatsApp too, then go they follow. Oh baby, send me picture. The girl go carry her phone. Do face like dog.
Old girls association go day.
You know, school association,
yes,
church group, church.
One
pastor. I don't want mark on the name of the church.
No.
Somebody will die.
It's go say Jesus.
The name of the church. We're not gonna talk the name of the church.
No.
But this pastor, but the church, the Nigerian church, where you get branch for
everywhere.
South Africa.
But apart from South Africa, everywhere.
Their pastor, then they WhatsApp group. And they WhatsApp group
pastor, Coristados,
all of them WhatsApp group. Now, pastor now won't consent something. Go
private.
Give one member.
For your eye only.
He's not paying machine gun. Check him.
No, he set him body. They do all this thing.
No,
set him body well.
Pastor, carry phone. Do like this.
because no, he hold phone.
You hold like
so you go.
Go like. No, this is not. You go delete them. This angle will go well.
Take 5.
This angle. Why did you take 5? Sister, you don't do this.
No, now you don't take 3 pictures. I get machine gun. I beg you.
Nothing come do like this.
Champ.
Now the man can send them. I say send them.
The question be say where he send them to?
Lo and behold, now the church WhatsApp group.
That is the Lord.
The church.
And you know, say for WhatsApp, people where they use WhatsApp.
You not fit. If you don't send picture, you not fit unsend.
You dey press stop.
It don't go.
It don't go.
You will see that command, that mark.
That mark. It don't go. Once it don't give you Nike, forget them. So, pastor now don't find out. Say the picture where he send not be to. And guess what? The picture gets caption. He say, "Wifey not around." Check for. He didn't like last blog.
No, I know.
Don't like last blog. Go say. He said, "Wifey not around. This is all yours tonight." Send and go. When the man find out, then the whole church, now he send them to the guy kill himself. Now they imagine when he reach heaven now. What did he go tell God?
Father Lord. No, Peter go stand. Who they stand? Gabriel or Peter go stand by the
somebody
he
go
say, come. Say, don't fear. Come closer. Come and see the Lord. Come closer. Just come closer.
So what killed you?
You know,
it's not What killed you?
Well,
See,
hey.
And now the girl, wait, one send that to a church member too. Church. Anyway, let's leave the matter for another day.
No, like Ghana people, they say pastor.
Anyway, I will get guests for today. The guest of our today's show, when we bash small chicken break, when we come back, and go sit down, join us. In them, not T Prince. I don't know what the T, not be T-Pen. I don't know what the T stands for.
T-Prince, don't know.
I don't know.
All these names,
names.
Some people know will take their name blow.
You know, some people they answer Prince. A demonic name.
Prince.
This is a demonic name.
Some people answer pleasure now.
You see this one they tell you, it's a demonic name.
Pleasure.
Now, somebody will tell me say dab. It's a demonic dance.
Hey.
You know, see people could just stand up talk nonsense. Say dab. Say dab. Now from I say the demonic dance. Say you they worship the devil.
You don't even hear the Rebuchi say the Rebuchi come from somewhere, Illuminati, or they talk.
Anybody
talk,
when they think say all think all those nonsense, you are sick.
No.
Allah the lucky.
No, you know, say everybody get entitled to
Yeah, before they fit don't go do their own search.
Which kind of search? Say dab. Okay, now me say Shocky too is demonic.
Yes, not fun.
because every part of your body is moving to one side.
Azonto is
Then what
demonic.
did they go talk about Alanta?
No, Alanta.
That one a demon.
No.
Demonic.
No, the first time I hear of Atlanta, they say as Atlanta is demonic. Is say that from hell. Say now you dey praise the devil. Say
Why?
because if you dey hell, say fire go dey burn you.
go
Say
dey-
be like, say for the fire will dey burn you. Now you dey try. Are you stupid?
Now everybody. Now
Anyway,
everybody
man,
get
guys,
their
my
mind.
chicken bro going to come back. T-Prince, he never married.
No be
This
T-Pain.
no music. Not be T-Pain, T-Prince, he never married. We dey look for wife for him today. So all the guys were there everywhere in this world. You are going to call.
So
Give us your
So
CV.
Ingo model.
No, Ingo model.
Ingo model enter. Back and
Enter.
forth.
No.
Okay.
When you don't sit down, when you don't come, when you don't sit down. When we don't start, Ingo model go, model come back. Then Ingo tell us, what be the thing we're in the look for in a woman.
Yes.
Because some na latabia reduce,
And
some na scalama
Scalama
bush,
bush.
some it can be scalabia reduce.
Yes. A mixture of
A
here
mixture
and there.
of here and there. I don't know if you're with me.
I'm with you.
Yeah.
It's the 5 and 6 something.
When I come back, still on top of the night show. Now welcome back on Top of the Night Show. That song we're gonna hear, beautiful song. I never even heard and each 1 minute, but the song is a making sense song from Theophilus Prince,
Yes.
aka T Prince. Theophilus Tola Prince. Join us as we welcome Theophilus Tola Prince into the studio. Why they laugh now?
Now wait till you start with now Theophilus. Wait till Theophilus.
How you know? You deny your name now.
You didn't know your name. No, okay, what's be the T?
The T stand for Tola.
Ha!
Your English name no be Theophilus.
Your English name no be Theophilus.
So,
My
what
English
is
name
now
na
what?
Michael.
Michael.
Michael and Theophilus, what's the difference?
What's the Michael and Theophilus?
Baje.
Michael Theophilus Tola Prince.
What is there?
I don't know.
TM Prince.
I don't know.
TM Prince.
Yeah.
TM
Trademark Prince.
Trademark Prince. Or Prince. For this country, like TM.
TM.
Anyway, welcome on Top of the Night Show. Before we go on, what thing you like for woman? Woman where you go marry? What thing be the thing where you go like physical first of all because
Please, look that camera.
look that camera, that one where they there.
Okay.
Just look and talk. I like a woman with lasabia reduce. There's what they call lasabia reduce and scalamabush. So what thing be the thing where they like for woman?
Look into it.
Tall, short, fat, mixture,
black.
body odor, no body odor.
Nobody odor waiting the body.
not quarrel, now, it's
Not
just-
be quarrel, now question with
Nah,
them.
Body
different
odor
option.
for quality. No. Minus remove that one.
Okay,
Body
we
odor.
gonna talk. Sell your.
But for female, make the female get something for front where person feel mingle with now when you dey
For
born.
female.
For female.
So
Male.
okay, so male come.
Male,
I know they do male.
because I come the wonder we say
No,
waiting be the woman where they because say for female, women for man too.
No. I know they do. I know they do that
No,
one.
we go know by the end of the show. Now we
But
Okay.
then, how you
No,
want
continue.
to know?
Continue for man, for woman. You like
should
so
be-
you're not like you're not too send. You just as long as they mama they say you dey go front.
Yes.
Your future is bright. You're
Yes.
okay. Now
forward ever.
black or yellow or bleached like Cynthia Morgan. Which one?
Or rookie.
Or Ruki Sanda?
Something like Shay.
Shay. No, Shay
Yeah.
not bleach. You know one person will bleach.
I know one person will bleach.
But Shay no. Shay
I
no.
know the forward ever.
Actually, you know, get like this. But
Okay, but you go like make.
You know,
So
make
person
it
like
big.
Shay make it day.
Yes.
Okay.
cool.
Okay. But Ruki Sanda be like that. Only say she bleach.
Bleaching, I don't too
But
like
you never know who bleach and who no bleach now. This day.
Yes, so for this 2016, see, there are some cream, my sister. For 200, you go bleach as in.
How you take no?
Why you take no? You don't try am. Now your follow come color with this.
Now my follow come. Now my follow
Because my
come.
brother these days you don't know now.
So therefore, if you not say you get body, you are a
And
girl.
then-
No man, no. We don't want
you are
that
a girl with a Wazobia reduce.
No, Wazobia reduce, Nabi.
Yes.
Like you can't get body like
Body like
Shay.
Okay.
But it could maybe say your character be like Shay, but your body not be like Shay.
So,
No.
Still call.
try and find a body.
Find it.
Then your character will enter inside.
Then if you get it, you understand. Then
Then your
make them
dream come
together.
true this night.
Let your dream come true.
Yes.
T-Prince is single and ready to mingle. Our phone number is on top of TV. But before we continue, make we watch the video of T-Prince.
So you can see him better.
You can see him better.
And then you can understand the level man you told already. Then we continue.
Then we continue. When we come back, then Ingo do catwalk.
Yo, that was it.
Catwalk.
You know nothing happen. Then
One
we
for
do the
you.
catwalk now.
Now?
You know nothing happen.
No.
No. Give me music, slight music. Give me that in song. Oh yeah. Go. Come on, that ball. Go there.
No,
Go.
stand by. See, stand by this light. This stand by here.
No.
Then direction. Ingo go there. Then
go
come
like
back.
this. Then come back.
Go
Are you ready?
there, then
Oh, yeah.
come
back.
I think
Go.
sure.
No.
No,
I want
like
to watch.
example.
Example.
Like
Wait.
Wait.
Example.
Let me show you
Show me
example.
example.
Let me
Yeah,
show you
show me
example.
example. Yes.
Now, catwalk now. Just say as a man.
Yeah.
Why be not be my catwalk? Now your
Why
catwalk.
your face can't dey red?
Now your catwalk. Leave me my catwalk. My
Okay,
catwalk. Now see this guy.
You don't get toaster with the way your face look.
Daddy.
Woo!
I'm joking.
Woo! Who's their daddy?
Shake it out.
Do your style. Let me see.
You fit dance to yourself. Anyone join? Say your market now.
Say your market. Change feed the watch now.
Oh, say look alike.
Or change look alike. Be like person wey drink palm wine.
All those things.
All those high cheese.
No, person wey deep and one go dey do like. You no
So
go get.
that's what you do when you drink. I think.
How dey drink?
Can't sit down. My brother, you be like person wey woman go beat for us.
No. How you take jump to conclusion like that?
No, the way you take waka.
They don't do these days. This guy.
Bless his sister won't talk with.
No, who am I?
Anyway, we go watch the video of T-Prince. When we come back, we'll begin ask our question on top of the battle. When they come back, still on top of the night show.
Because I don't trust you.
Katim be dey ask me, say, what did the guy they drink?
You sef no know.
You sef no know. Because that thing resemble that thing where drivers they drink in the morning.
Waiting.
Before they enter bus.
Okay,
You
what
know,
is that
they
thing?
there for nylon. They go tire for nylon.
Oh,
Hey,
yeah, I know.
You know that thing?
I know.
What's
No,
it?
I don't forget the
No,
name.
Mamabi. What's
You
it?
know the get title. You know the get title.
Then they wait and for post of garage. Now you go see.
But when you drink and you go
when you
feel
drink,
am. You will go back. You will go Port Harcourt, come back. There you go.
My brother.
Oh, why is it?
This
You
one.
know what
No.
Hey, madam, mix
No.
this one for me. Mix this one for me.
Another seas where you just wake up, you know, say your eyes no go clear. But as you take that tea, I swear if you go Lagos, come back, Your fuel.
But wait, I didn't know this. You know
My
this
brother,
thing.
give me 5. They do that. I didn't look at since. I didn't look at since. I said this
You know
one.
this thing.
Your head
You
is
just say
clear.
you never do bus business before.
No, that's the way they pray this prayer.
I
know that.
swear. I swear.
No.
That if you drink that thing, Katim, I swear. It says easy be there. If you drink one nylon, you go
One
stand
black
there.
nylon.
12 days, you never stand up. You go there, they sweat. Peep. Yeah?
Easy go stand there play, no go sleep.
Why
Now
you think say area boys when they drink and when they want fight? You are PDP, APC, PDP. That not be normal brain then they think am. Anyway,
Nah, ginger.
Now, Ginger, anyway, beautiful video, beautiful song by T-Prince, beautiful video. In fact, for one thing, we did very, very different for that video, what I go like, and I say, I not see girls where we show Bobby and Bum. The two girls we did for, the only two girls we did for that video. Nine neighbor. And then wear clothes.
And now the neighbors where you go.
I mean, because of say, money not there to shoot the video, now making up our girls come. Because when you blow, you suppose on the club with red cup. You know what I mean?
And
then all the guys will come, they
with
shake
some
some
buckles.
buckles. Then some guys will carry picture, they snap.
Instagram.
Like that, Pastor.
Like that.
Oh, now know what's and they send give person on top WhatsApp. Oh.
Anyway, tell us, what is your real name?
My real name is Agumbiade Adetola Michael.
And you are a prince.
Yes, I'm a prince.
You are from royal families.
From a royal family.
Which royal family?
Agumbiade.
Which one be Agumbiade?
For we in this whole
Where for
Nigeria.
Lagos?
Obaile. That's in Ondo State.
Oh, for Ondo State. What you call it? If I sing for Ondo State now.
Now Lagos they sell markets.
I'm gonna say the guy
A
know.
selling point too.
The guy know.
So your family members now. Your papa married how many wives?
See my Pima. The man no dey like that too. Just 2 wives. Don't do one.
No, not too much. Just only 2.
Just 2.
He born 14 of you.
How many children?
How you take no? Just remove one. You go get the normal price.
Jesus.
13.
What you study for school?
Mathematics.
Mathematics.
wait.
Your calculation dey tight.
13.
And now,
13 boys.
no, you won't kill him.
My brother, you don't know now these things.
No.
Wait. How many?
Maybe you don't know whether Popsy they drink that thing in the morning. time.
No, they drink that thing.
Because I go born 13 like that. but wait, like is that 13. How many girls? How many boys?
That's gonna be a very difficult calculation.
You don't know.
Prince Theophilus. Hey, it's difficult.
You know, so you don't know your sisters. You don't know your
I
brothers.
know them, but I have to check. Okay, may I bring out the total scores?
Jesus.
I hail you. Your Royal Highness.
Thank you,
It's a family Royal Highness.
Anyway, which means you come from Ondo State.
Yeah.
From Ondo State, and tell us.
So no, okay, you know say, when they enter inside, you know say entourage, they reach there no. Hey, as a prince something now.
People
I
follow
want
for
from
back.
Gideon. Yes.
People follow for back. How many people follow you for back?
Nobody.
Nobody.
That's easy.
Easy. People follow for back.
Some guys for reception, but unless someone denies not being there.
I don't deny anybody.
So who follow you? Nobody. Only you come this.
No,
woman's
me. Oh.
inside.
So how many? How many?
My manager is there.
How many? Count 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't say identify them.
just 3. Just 3.
Just 3.
And
Your
just
manager.
And my brothers.
Your
Just-
2 brothers. Your 2 brothers.
Yeah.
Deep breeze. Makparo.
I don't know.
Your sisters know they there.
Anyway,
no,
our phone
those
lines go there.
sisters.
Open up
People
like
say
begin
no,
they call
like
us.
sisters.
You know they like sisters.
Even in the video.
You know they too
He
like.
just a nice neighbor.
God shine from Taraba. God shine.
God shine, moonshine.
God shine. What's his name? Go be God shine. Hello, God shine.
Hello.
God shine. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
What's your native name?
What is your native name?
My native name.
Yes.
My native name na Azuka na from Igbo.
Ngwanu, call yourself Azuka.
What do you mean God shine?
God shine is my English name. That is the name I'm using.
Is your Nielsen?
English name.
English name.
Oh, English. Talk to us with here. You will get T-Prince inside studio.
The guy music, the music, I love the music. So I don't know if you can play the video again because I'm in love with the music. I fell in love with the music when I heard the music.
Thank you. We'll go play
What do you
him again.
love about the
Where you
music?
there? You there, beer parlor?
No, I do my house.
Why you dey drink? Because you dey draw. You dey draw.
Be like okra soup.
Like okra, you dey draw.
No, I was just sounding like that.
That's how you sound. That is your real sound.
That's your risk. You have your follow come sound.
Okay.
Your follow come, okay.
Ngwanu, God
Okay.
shine.
Oh, yeah, God shine. God shine in your house. We'll go play for you. We'll go play the video again. But more grass, more chicken, we'll come back. We'll continue taking our phone calls
shine,
on
moonshine.
top of the show. When they come back, God shine. Back on top of the night show, we get T-Prince for inside the studio. Our phone lines on the open. Make una begin the call to take for talk to T-Prince. But as we dey talk to them, we get some kind of question to take for us as the now T-Prince. The thing we dey busy. Katim ask you, say you be from royal family. Now, the person where I know say come from royal family where they sing na Tillaman.
Yeah,
Tillaman.
Yes.
Your family not give you issues. Say you want enter music.
One thing about it
You
is
quarrel
that
with them before you come to Lagos.
no, I don't have to quarrel with them.
This is the guy that speak English for
leave
us.
am
He
now. He no fit speak
dey speak English for us. One thing about them,
No,
is
it
you know,
is we are from the
you don't have to quarrel
Don't
with
mind him.
them.
But say you for nephew this night. You think we are from the village, abi?
Speak English again.
No, leave
Okay,
am.
may I go back home? May I speak Yoruba? No,
Yeah.
Man, hey, big anything. Wait till your family not disturb you. After say you go school.
I go school.
After sending, you see the school, you don't finish school.
I see this school.
Okay, which school you did?
Ekiti State University.
Ekiti State University. Why you not go Ondo State University?
No.
Why you not? You just want to come up for state.
No.
Bado, stop! This guy know what run things because he knows that if he run things around, the papa go no. So he guys go out. Bado, cool.
What should be your number in the family? If you be last born now.
I don't be the last boy.
Only your number.
From your mama?
Okay, second born.
Second born from your own mama.
Yeah.
But from the whole clan.
You don't lost the number.
No, I don't regain now. I don't regain now.
In everything, total. The sum total of the family number. You be which number?
Oh.
From Sapele, good evening. In there, family, live From Sapele, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Alex, how now?
Fine, Nedu, what's up?
Are you with me?
You're welcome, man.
I am with you. One day we get T Prince inside studio.
Okay. Yeah, the guy too much. His video makes sense. You know, he's a very young boy, and the pattern, the setting of the video, you know, it is very, very okay. You know, portraying morality too much.
Exactly.
You know, even they at all, sir.
At all.
Yeah, it's too much. But one thing when I miss the catwalking, I don't see.
You want my brother? You be there early. What do you want to see for catwalking, my brother? You a woman? You be there early.
My brother, get in touch with your inner self.
Get in touch with your inner self. Look for woman, make a catwalk, not a man.
Be true to
Go!
yourself.
Alex, go! Go! God, we now want you. Bye-bye. You want to spoiler? My brother, cover your bumper with the blood. Hello, good evening.
Woman, no cost.
Kelvin, now who men they come for you?
Should we be very worried?
Are we supposed to be worried for you?
I'm worried.
Kelvin.
Hello, good evening.
Say, they're going to be bedroom voice. Talk to us when they hear you. We get T Prince inside studio.
Yeah, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Kelvin. I'm calling from Ikeja. Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
I can hear you now.
I can hear
Oh,
you.
the guy they try at least making improve for some parts.
The guy
Yeah,
they
he's
try
trying.
making improve
Yeah.
some parts.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
You can hear me.
But I can't hear you.
I can hear you. Bye-bye!
So you understand how it used to feel.
Now you understand how it feels.
You call somebody, gonna use bedroom voice. So maybe like this, they
So maybe we can't
our
open
ear. This recession.
in this recession time. You don't say recession
God will judge you.
affect ear too.
No, leave him.
You know, from here this recession starts.
No, in lie down for bed. They call. Why we sit down for chair?
No, a tip is make I ask you. Again, one question will enter my head because before I forget them, you don't ever they perform for anywhere. Wait now, why you dey laugh now? You know the question I want to ask now. You never they perform for anywhere. As the perform, I get just shout, oh, T-Prince! Come on, praise here. Take! Oh, take, come on,
Or run.
Take!
Stage.
Or come run, climb stage.
Don't hold you for
Oh,
back.
you T-Prince! I will not let you go! Oh! I kill myself for you! Bring your picture! Check him! Get under that kind of thing.
No. Yeah, never did that time.
Why you rush? Say no.
Your demonstration with the choreography, everything. Which one?
No,
never
so
do.
girl never hug you.
Appreciation day, but no be.
Hey, what is appreciation?
Appreciation.
What's the appreciation?
I like, oh, wow, nice song. Okay, take hug.
Hey!
Go.
Truth, don't they come on small.
But no be saying
When
make
they
them
hug you,
take-
where you they put head? When they hug, you know when people hug.
you know
when
say I
they-
toss more. Now the shoulder. Like, okay. All
You
this
know they
SU.
do like this.
You know they near them,
You
but
know
they
they
do
do
hug
yeah.
them.
to hug the way.
You stand from far.
No,
Hey, you know see, he hand join together. So now another thing they do. Hey, from Niger, good evening.
You think we don't used to
Hello,
know
good
these things?
evening.
How you there, like?
Fine.
Are you with me?
I'm with you, Mr. Nedu.
We get T Prince inside studio.
Good evening, T Prince.
Good evening.
Good evening, Easy Beats.
Boss, good evening.
Is it the fire already in your head? You don't quench them?
Yeah, I don't change out.
You don't quench the fire.
I don't quench out.
Prince,
Yeah.
you are in fact you are a great to my nation.
Wow.
Honestly speaking, we are very proud of you.
Thank you.
You are a young person, and you shouldn't even make sure that you are looking for a wife
Yeah.
because you are more handsome to look for a wife.
Wow.
In outer proverb, there is Dogo Jali. Nobody
Yeah.
they feel buy tall person. And moreover, you are handsome. And they
Thank
go
you.
sit down, just go to pursue you, reach your house. You don't need to pursue them outside. Every color will enter your house by the special grace of God. The one way a big things when you like will they come to you way by the special grace of God. If like Katin you like, says Katin will even fall in love for you by the special grace of God.
Special.
I don't understand.
My brother, this is your prayer.
You know,
Wait, now prayer be that.
I won't answer him, me, boy.
But you dey fear.
Your mouth too. You don't speak. I will hear you. Like you don't get anybody talk anything.
Eh? Woman should not be looking for you. You know she
Handsome
looking
three
for
times.
woman.
You are too you are much too handsome. 3 times he called her handsome. I can't fear for tipping.
Teeth priest we dey fear for you.
For
We say make women call. Now men they call. From Abuja, good evening.
And na man.
Wait.
Hello, good
Ah, thank God though. Tessie, good evening. Oh.
Hello.
Hello. Welcome.
Good evening.
Good evening.
We get tea prince.
Wazobia TV.
yes.
That guy makes. I don't hear una try Wazobia TV. Una try. Good evening.
Good evening. Thank you.
Make that guy play that music again. The music makes sense.
Oh, we'll play am again.
the
video.
music
Make
again.
it play am.
I know what we go play. When one come up for studio, we go play am again.
When I come out from studio, before I go play.
When one come out, no, when one come out, now we go play.
Now go
am.
play out.
You where they talk. You that man want make you play, make you dance, make I see.
Make him dance. Wait, madam, you sound like married woman. You don't marry.
I'm married.
Now you want make small pikin dance for you, madam. What do you want to see? you want make this young man dance for you.
Not be him or you where they talk.
Hey!
Man,
Madam, you want Nedu to dance?
You want
for
me
you?
to dance for you? Where your husband go?
Hey, Mama, dear.
You saw you want make I come snap after your cousin make a snap picture. Madam, good night. Oh.
Nedu dance for me.
No!
Dance for me. Hey.
Madam Tessie, I will not dance. Oh.
because of my dad.
Ah. Hello, good evening.
Hey.
Hello?
Nedu, good evening.
Are you with me?
I am with you.
We get T Prince inside
Hello.
studio.
I can see. T-Prince,
Yes, boss.
nice one. I love the video so much.
Thank you.
Yeah. Easy beats.
Yes, boss. Good evening.
I dey hear you.
Hey, boss. Yes, boss.
Yeah. T-Prince, Tola,
Yeah.
that's a very good one. If I call you Tola, you know say I know you from house.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well done, eh?
Yeah, thank you.
Where you know him?
Remember what you know and talk
Tola, Tegilola.
Yeah, I understand.
Where you know him?
You get. Just
Yes,
forget.
I understand.
You know, see,
You don't need to disclose. Don't disclose. Don't disclose. I understand. I understand. Yeah.
No go disclose.
You know him?
Yes, I know him.
Where you know him?
T-Prince.
I'm from my school.
Yeah, fine.
Una dey run things, Sabi? Emmanuel,
Yeah.
una dey run things together, Abi?
Run things. Give
Give your life to
Give your life to Christ.
Christ. In this reception.
Okay, we were colleagues actually.
Yeah, colleagues.
Yeah.
You were in the police.
Colleagues running things together.
No. Make the guy explain.
Oh, yeah, explain.
Yeah.
Okay, we're actually in the same quarters.
Yeah.
Quarters. For that quarters now, how many people they come visit to now? Which kind of species?
Male and female.
Male and
How
female
many
species.
And what
Male and
times?
female, sure now.
Oh, male and female, sure. Wait, how many they come to Prince place?
Why that question?
Eh?
He will give you a
No.
better.
Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much.
Usman from Kano, good evening.
Emmanuel, give your life to God. Oh.
Usman, good evening.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Evening.
Hey, Usman, are you with me?
Yes, I'm with you, Nedu.
So, we get T-Prince inside studio.
Oh, I'm really enjoying this show with my family.
Yo, Tom,
Sir.
thank you, sir.
Yes. How are you doing?
We there. Your wife there.
Yes, my wife.
Give your wife phone. Give your wife phone. Give her phone.
I should give my wife.
Give your wife.
Come and take. Zidi, come and take.
Baby.
Hey, Usman, baby.
Hello, Nedu.
Hey, baby, you're chicken.
Hello, Nedu.
Baby.
Hello.
Kina Gina.
Yes, ina jin ki.
Baby.
Ya kike.
Lafiya kalau.
To, dan Allah zaki yi mun abin kice.
I'll cook for you.
Hey, do.
Easy
Wait, make you do for T-Prince.
This easy bit for me and the.
No, wait.
They fail exam,
Madam, do for T-Prince. Oh, yeah, give your husband phone. Go and sleep.
Okay.
Hello?
Oh, yeah. Usman, how many wives you married?
No, one now.
Oh, one. Well, for now.
Yes.
How many
Yes.
children?
So I have only one wife.
Oh, yeah, talk to T-Prince. They hear you.
So thank you very much. My truth regards goes to the guest.
Okay.
And lastly, DJ Easy Beats.
Boss, respect, sir. I hate boss.
Usman, to say this up, I get check out
Thank
now.
you.
Thank you very much. Good night.
I'm
Yeah,
gonna
well.
ask you which of your favorite,
From
which
Adamawa,
song,
good
where is it
evening.
The way you like.
Good evening, Nedu.
Hey, Godwin, are you with me?
I am with you.
We got T-Prince inside studio.
I battle in music.
My brother, we say buddy.
Thank you.
I battle in music.
Thank you.
I beg, I would like to download the music if I fit them.
You go on.
Okay, it's on YouTube, it's on Nigelo there, it's on 2 exclusive. Check.
Just go internet. Go internet. Just
Type
type.
Amen by T.
Amen.
Just type
by
Ami by
T-Prince.
T-Prince. Even on your Google, it's cool.
It go come out.
All right, I just battle the music. I beg, try hard.
Don't download it
Thank you,
illegally.
thank you.
Try
Good
hard.
night.
I'll pray for you. God will help you in Jesus.
Amen.
Amen.
You make it more.
Amen.
Amen.
You say
Wait,
make
make woman pray. I want join. You never pray for woman for that. Godwin.
God, we don't.
Goddy.
My God.
Even if you use all English, God, we don't go.
Now, one question I want to ask you.
Okay.
How so far, how long you done into music?
My brother, I've been into music for like 5 or 6 years now,
Professionally.
professionally.
Now, so now for that 5 or 6 years, how you go say, okay, how you go describe the journey for that 5 or 6 years?
Actually, there's a lot of competition in it. Each and every day you see another talent.
And fear, if you go enter your body.
Now, which kind of fear be that? You they sing, they sing.
Okay.
So now when God bless you, I go tell you, say, bros, you don't make it. So one thing about
Now
music,
you write this song where you sing.
Yeah.
So.
Tell us the story about this song to start with.
I want.
The main inspiration about Ami is just my dad.
Wow.
My dad is the main inspiration about that song.
You are not tight, wait.
Yeah, you were very, very close. I can call him my best friend.
Wow.
We talk.
Okay.
So one thing about it is that my dad is my main priority. I want to satisfy him. I want him to tell me. Huh?
Now in carbon copy you think?
Actually, it's kind of dark, but I'm light. Yeah.
And you say you follow come be your color. Okay.
Maybe na mama.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So I just want him to look into my eyes one day and tell me, T-Prince, I'm proud of you. Like my son, I'm proud of you.
Okay. Oh, so now make you, now you think so now more like pleasing your papa, now make you do that song.
Yeah. Because the fact is that it's my own source of inspiration. Looking at him, I want to get blessed on time so I can repay him for the good work he has done for me. That is just it. And that is one of the, I can say, is my fuel. That's why I'm
even if na 145 naira.
I go to buy my fuel.
Now,
So
how many songs so far you don't do?
If we were to talk about the one that I've been to studio to record, I have like 32 tracks.
32.
Yeah, 32.
Who produced this song for you?
Colibi.
Colibi.
You know.
My producer. Yes, I should call
He's a
him.
mass producer.
He's a mass producer.
He's a very good producer.
You don't do collabos?
Yeah, few.
Okay, now if you could do, say we now, me and Katim and Easy Big, we won't make you do the mix of this song. If you go do the mix of this song, who you think say you go fit do the mix with?
Who and who? It not be one person.
We want. Sorry, Auta. Good evening.
Evening.
Good evening. How you doing, my sister?
I'm good.
We get T-Prince inside studio.
Yes, yes.
Talk to us. Auta.
Hello, yes.
Talk to us. We dey hear you.
Okay, evening.
Evening.
Auta.
Yes, I'm hearing you. I'm hearing you.
Talk to us now. Talk to us.
Okay, evening.
Again.
Sorry, I forgot your name actually.
It's okay.
This is the time I'm listening to your program.
Okay.
But I want to comment on
Not be Thief. T-Prince. T-Prince.
Yes, your music is good.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you. Now you talk.
Yes, but actually, the crucifixion that you people are making on us ladies is unfair.
What? Ladies.
What?
Yes,
Well,
the way you're
now.
trying to idolize us, more like a commodity of a thing. Okay. That's not fair for ladies.
Is it from the song or?
Is it from the song?
No, not from the song.
Okay.
Oh,
Your comment.
generally.
For we?
Yes, generally about
Oh,
women. That's
okay,
not fair.
okay.
You don't make me
Fear,
fear.
don't catch us, so.
Which part of the song?
Seriously, that's not fair for
All
us.
right, Auta, thank you very much. Good night. You are not a commodity.
In Jesus' name.
Amen.
You are not a commodity.
Anyway, for those who want to follow you, so that we will get time play your full video as they come out.
Yes.
Where they will follow you on top social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter.
Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Oluwa T-Prince.
Oluwa T-Prince, one name, very
Oluwa
simple.
T-Prince.
Oluwa, Oluwa T-Prince.
I think so you won't spell them before.
Oluwa T-Prince. The same thing
Who know how to
for
spell
Twitter,
Oluwa?
Instagram.
Oluwa.
Our last caller before we watch the video. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Hello.
Nedu.
Okay, are you with me?
I greet you before I forget.
I greet you too. We get T-Prince inside studio.
Nah, double twins the talk.
You na double prince.
Double twins for Regibu.
Hey, double prince, how now?
Double twins.
I get Kaja, are you?
We did fine.
Double twins.
What is this young man?
You guado or you guado? Guado or guado? My brother choose one.
Guado all of them.
So you know what you enjoy him.
My guy, I greet you.
He greet you.
Madam.
Hello.
He dey hear you.
He dey hear you.
I thank God for your life before I talk everything. Your music, for my own understanding, makes sense. And my prayer for you, your ministry will not fall down.
Amen.
Because I know see shake you. Shake, you know plenty there. That's my happiness.
Not be shake, not be shake, not shake, not be shake. Anyway, thank you. Good night. Make we watch the video of T-Prince. As the camera come up for inside. So double toilet all of now. Call us and tweet messages on a good night.
To enjoy more of these our Ubonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.